Good morning, everybody. I'm Laura Fife, and welcome again to the Figment 6-minute writing, Wellspring writing session. This is day 4 of the lockdown. It's Friday, the 27th of March. We're just about at the end of our first week of the COVID-19 lockdown, so congratulations. The reason for the hat, excuse me, this morning is because it's Wear a Hat Day. It's the end of Brain Tumour Awareness Month. So if you're looking to donate to a charity, that's a very, very worthwhile charity to donate to today. We're about to settle in to our 6-minute writing for this morning. But before I do that, the next couple of days, Saturday and Sunday morning, I might, fingers crossed, I might get a little lie-in. So if I'm not here to do the live session at 8:30, I will make sure to upload a couple of videos in advance for you tonight and tomorrow night, so that you've got the videos there with your writing prompt ready to use at your convenience on Saturday and Sunday. I think it's very important, especially now, to get a rest when and as and when you can. So I highly recommend that, and please do come and use the writing sessions and the prompts. They're here for you. You can also join the sessions as usual on Monday, from Monday to Friday. I've set that up as a Facebook event so that you can join in with that, and you'll be more likely to get a reminder about it. And so many of you have told me how useful you found these sessions, for giving you something. If you've had a hard night, this gives you something to look forward to and get a wee burst of positivity to start your day off. I know it certainly helps me out. So if you've got friends out there who are writers, or who would like to use their time during self-isolation to start writing, they've always thought about writing and always fancied giving it a go, feel free to invite and recommend them, invite them to the event, invite them to come and join us of a morning over their cup of tea or their cup of coffee. As ever with the 6-minute writing, if we are interrupted, I've got the 2 cats here who have just started meowing. You might have just heard Sassy there. Or if I'm interrupted by my boys, who have, for some reason this morning, decided to reenact the Battle of Stirling Bridge downstairs this morning, then I will put the microphone off so that your 6-minute writing isn't interrupted. I'm just getting the timer ready. The 6-minute writing prompt for today, decisions, is going to be this was given to me by a friend. This is I'm well known on a night out for enjoying a tequila. So when life gives you lemons, grab tequila and salt. That's your writing prompt for this morning. So get your pen and your notepad. Where's mine? There's. Get your pen and notepad ready while I'm getting the timer ready for you. Okay, so 6 minutes on when life gives you lemons, grab a tequila and salt. 6 minutes, starting now. Remember, your one rule is to keep it going. Don't edit, just keep going. Okay, guys, stop. Okay. If you want to keep going with your writing, by all means, keep going. Pause this here. If and when you've finished, then bear in mind that the 6-minute writing is just your beginning. Some people come out of the 6-minute writing with a fully formed piece. More often, it's a little seed for something that you can build to. Thank you, especially to those of you who have joined us here this morning. I can see some of you have come along for the first time this morning. And no, I wasn't sleeping. I just like to keep off to one side while I'm writing. Thanks again for coming along. All feedback is very welcome. This is my first week of trying these out, and it's a learning process. So yeah, let me know how it worked for you, and if you've got any advice to make these any better. I'll be sharing this about so that more people can join us on Monday and benefit from getting that creative burst first thing in the morning. All the best, guys. Have a lovely day. And if I'm not here live on Saturday and Sunday morning, as I say, the videos will still be here for you to use at your convenience. And have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay well, and happy writing.